working on doing, real actionable things. And then I always tell them, I say, hey, I'm going to put the plan in place. We're going to do this physical work, right? But I need you to work on the emotional part that got you to the state of chaos with your finances, right? Mm-hmm. And I know you use acronyms too. And my definition of chaos is can't handle any obstacle sent, right? Mm-hmm. And so, especially with your finances, like that's true chaos to me. If you have if you have anything go wrong in your life, and life be lifing, right? Mm-hmm. The car can get a flat. The kids need something extra for this or that. You need to go travel for work, even though work pays for it. You still got to have your own money, mm-hmm. right? You have this great opportunity. That's the big thing. You can have a great opportunity that may only cost you $1,000 to be a part of it, and you don't have it. Mm-hmm. And how much did that really cost you? It wasn't the cost of the $1,000. It's the thousands you didn't make in the opportunity.